Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use InvestEngine, a powerful investment platform designed to help you manage your investments efficiently. To get started, you will need to create an account on the InvestEngine website. Simply click on the Sign Up button, fill in the required information, and verify your email address. Once you have created your account, you will need to fund it by depositing money into your InvestEngine wallet. You can do this by linking your bank account or using a payment method such as a debit card. After your account is funded, you can start exploring the various investment options available on the platform. InvestEngine offers a range of investment products, including stocks, bonds, and exchange-traded funds. You can browse through the different categories, read reviews, and check the performance of each investment product before making a decision. It is essential to diversify your portfolio by investing in a mix of low and high-risk products to minimize your exposure to market volatility. To invest in a product, simply click on the Invest button, select the amount you want to invest, and confirm your transaction. You can also set up a recurring investment plan to invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals. This will help you invest consistently and avoid trying to time the market. InvestEngine also provides a range of tools and features to help you track and manage your investments. You can view your portfolio in real time, check your investment performance, and receive alerts when there are changes in the market. The platform also offers tax-efficient investing options and low-cost trading fees to help you maximize your returns. As a best practice, it is recommended that you set clear investment goals, assess your risk tolerance, and develop a long-term investment strategy. You should also regularly review and rebalance your portfolio to ensure it remains aligned with your investment objectives. By following these steps and using InvestEngine effectively, you can take control of your investments and work towards achieving your financial goals.